Want to create a freeze frame intro like this? Let's get started. First, import your footage and music into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your footage has audio. Next, move the playhead to the moment where you want to freeze the frame. Click Freeze, then delete the remaining part of the video. Now, duplicate the frozen clip and place it on the top layer. Select the first freeze clip, go to Effects and add a blur effect. Then select the second freeze clip. Go to Remove BG and choose Auto Removal. Add a stroke based on your preference. Next, go to the Basic menu. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Move forward 5 frames and add another keyframe on the second keyframe. Change the scale to 120%, then slightly move it to the left. After that, go to the Stickers menu and add a brush sticker. Place it between the 2 clips, align with the second keyframe. Finally, add your text and adjust it based on your preference. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your freeze frame intro is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.